Hello, so this isn't a normal video of a tour or anything. This is just going to be a meet our latest acquisition for the homestead. Been on about these for years, never got round to it. Yeah, just over here. I built this pen about 12 years ago to house these creatures, and I never got round to getting them. Children have been on to me, and it's something I've always wanted as well, to be honest with you. So let's meet the pigs. They are adorable. Oop, 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 hang on. Put the fence down a little bit. Oop. Let's come here and we can meet them. So here we've got bacon and egg. And they do like to nibble a little bit, especially on your boots. My friend got his toe bitten yesterday because he came in wearing sandals. Very, very friendly. So this one's egg, this one's bacon. They're about 9 weeks old, and they're Oxford Sandy and Black. And as you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. Now I keep coming out here and thinking they've escaped, and literally all they do is sleep in their pigsty here. They're very intelligent, very loving. They come running over to see me. It's mainly to do with the food that I bring them, probably. Obviously feeding them a little bit out the garden, but they're having pig nuts the rest of the time. Yeah, they seem really happy. You happy? Nice under the shade of these big old oak trees. Not giving them a huge amount of space just yet. Trying to make sure they're used to the electric fence. I think watching chickens and scratching pigs, you could lose a lot of your day to be honest with you. They're both females. They're both pedigrees, but they're no good for breeding because, come here, pigs, pigs, pigs. I'll show you why. Oh, it looks like I'm going to have to go to them. They've seen I've got no food. Because this one's got 2 black legs, so it's not the breed standard, it's not what people want. And then this one hasn't got enough spots. So yeah, they're no good for breeding, apparently. Wait, don't bite my shorts. I make you jump. Did I make you jump? I'm sorry. Now, I did say before how well behaved the pigs have been. And as I was leaving the pen, they decided to go through the electric fence. So thought I'd give them some feed. So got some pig nuts here and get them back in. I sorted the fence out. So they want one of my big scoops, well, medium scoops there is about 900 grams, which is what they're on twice a day. And there's 2 of them. These guys have come down to see me. Naughty little piggies. Let's climb the fence actually. Ooh. I reckon, oh, sorry, this will be a way to get them back in. A bit like me, follow the stomach. Let's see if they do as they're told. This is your tea time, piggies. Come on then. Pigs? Come on, where you go. Ugh. Now, I was on the phone to Dad the other night and we worked out the electric fence wire I'm using here is probably about 35 years old. So, and I can see that some of the nylon's started to break on it, probably time to replace it. So I've ordered some like white tape one that they can probably see a bit better than this kind of orange wire. You can see it's not the best, and then it's earthing out in a few places. Trying to keep it upright. The ground's hard. But yeah, these guys are back in. See if they stay in or not. They are in a fenced in pig pen, but I just didn't want them to have it all. It's not good for the trees.